gorgeous day here in New Jersey, but two struggling football teams.
The draft comparisons between Trevor Lawrence and Zach Wilson are coming after this game for sure.
Go Jags! Go Jags!
Let's fight together, man. We only got so many more opportunities. All day, let's fight. Fight on three. 1, 2, 3. Fight. Got your back, baby. Let's go. Let's go.
Hey, watch the floater.
It'll be 4th down. The Jags go 3 and out and will punt it back to New York. It is a fake punt. They snap it to the up man and they'll have a first down. Nice work by the Jaguars special team. Dewey Wingard was the up man. They snapped it to him and he ran it forward for the first down.
1 carry, 3 yards, first down.
Matthew Wright on for a 21-yard field goal. Logan Cook will put it down at the 11. Wright kicks it up, and the field goal is good. And Jacksonville strikes first, and we haven't said that in a while.
Good drive, great drive.
Good job on 4th down.
3rd down and 5. Drop and throw, all out blitz. They're all coming after Zach Wilson. He scrambles out of there and can run forever. 45, 40, 35, 30. Stays in bounds along the right sideline, still in bounds. Inside the 5, dives for the goal line. That's going to be a touchdown. What a run by Zach Wilson. A 52-yard touchdown and went the distance for the score.
Take the field.
4th down and about a half yard. Quarterback sneak, you would imagine. Instead, they're going to play fake and throw it. Firing deep downfield for Treadwell. Caught at the 20-yard line of the New York Jets. They faked it, and Trevor put it on Laquan Treadwell. He'll make the catch at the 20-yard line of the Jets. Trevor keeps it on his own read. And the ball comes out. The ball came out into the end zone, and it's going to be a touchdown. The Jags have recovered it. Trevor fumbled it into the end zone. Jacksonville recovered it for the touchdown.
I think that's big Will Richardson getting the start.
Willie scored a touchdown.
You scored a touchdown, bro. Great job of Will Richardson Jr., the awareness.
How about that? So Logan Cook will now kick it off. Berrios will field this 2 yards deep and bring it out of there to the 10, 15, 20 near sideline. He's into the open field. Berrios, 45 of Jacksonville. 30, 20, 10, 5, touchdown. Braxton Berrios just went 102 yards, and just like that, the Jets have retaken the lead. Trevor drops the throw. It's a blitz, 5-man rush. Lots of time, though. Fires deep downfield. That ball is going to be caught by Tavon Austin. That'll be a first down. They snap it quick. Trevor drops. Fires middle of the field. That ball's caught again. That is Marvin Jones Jr.
That's a big-time throw. That's what you want to see. Right on the numbers.
Cook puts it down. Wright kicks it up. And the field goal is good from 45 yards. Matthew Wright good again.
Good job, baby. Good kick. Keep going.
We have played 30 minutes of football. The Jets lead it 13-12.
Hey, this is all that matters right here. Be in the moment, right? Being present.
The next play.
Don't think about nothing else. That's it.
Eddie Pinheiro with that field goal to push the Jets lead to 4 as we play early stages, 3rd quarter.
Come on, let's go. Take the field, baby.
Trevor Lawrence is 13 of 20, 114 yards. Trying to get this Jacksonville team back in front. Lawrence throws in the run, and he throws a laser beam to Marvin Jones. And that's another first down for Jacksonville, a pickup of 10.
First down at the 47 for Jacksonville. They trail 16-12, 7:17 to play in the 3rd. Trevor under center. Play fake, drop to throw. Now scramble. Oh, he's going to get sacked. The ball comes out. That is a critical mistake by Trevor Lawrence.
Well, they play action fake, and there's all kinds of pressure immediately right up the gut.
That one's on Trevor. He's got to do a better job of knowing, I've got to protect the football.
What a tough sudden change situation for the Jaguar defense now. Big 3rd down here. Shotgun for Zach Wilson. Bunch to the right. He drops. Looking, steps up. He's going to get hit and brought down by Jihad Ward. That's going to be a sack.
Let's go! Well, you got to give credit to Roy Robertson-Harris getting the initial pressure, flushing Zach Wilson up to Jihad Ward. Great job of spacing in the pass rush, keeping everybody's lane and responsibility.
Stop playing with me! Stop playing with me! Get down!
Pinheiro on now for a 26-yard attempt from the left hash. Well, they fake it. They're going to run it to the left. And the punter, man, is hit down, but he's going to be shy of first down yardage, and the Jags are going to take over.
No points! No points! No points!
We on it! We on it, man! On it, man!
Lawrence play action, bootleg here, throws on the run, along the side, completes. What a pass to Tavon Austin. A first down connection of 25 for Jacksonville. 40-yard attempt here for Wright, the first-year kicker. That's it from 21 and 45. And Wright's perfect day continues.
That's field goal. That's field goal. That's field goal.
And Ron Middleton is going for it again. 4th and goal for the Jets.
Dropping is Wilson, now scrambling to his right, looking toward the end zone, fires, and that ball is going to be caught for the touchdown.
By an offensive lineman.
Oh my goodness. And Connor McDermott shows maybe the best hands a left tackle in the league has ever had.
Yeah, so we'll keep pressing, set him up. Let him take the cheese, and boom, you strike. Let's go, baby.
Second down, Lawrence, pocket starts to muddy. High pass, it's caught. What a snatch by Treadwell.
And an excellent throw by Trevor. That's not an easy throw to make when you're moving and your feet aren't set. Nice play.
First down, Jags at the 1-yard line of New York. The give to Ogunbowale. Ogunbowale into the end zone, touchdown. And the Jags now 2 points away from tying the ball game.
Ogunbowale thrust into their lead back roll after losing James Robinson. And now they'll go for the tie with 5 and change left. Lawrence faking. Has all day. Now here they come. Lawrence just throws it to the end zone. Actually gave his guys a chance, and it's incomplete. Pinheiro is hit from 42. This 20-yard chip shot. Good snap, good hold. Again, a little bit of a low kick, but this time Pinheiro is good.
So the situation is this, plenty of time, a minute 47 and 1 timeout with which to work. Shotgun for Trevor Lawrence. Trevor drops the throw against a 4-man rush. Fires deep downfield, caught by Tavon Austin, steps out of bounds near the 42-yard line. A terrific pitch and catch.
Trevor seems to be heating up a little bit, and it's at the most important time.
2nd and 9, Lawrence. Everyone covered, he's gonna run for it. Lawrence, first down. Lawrence to the 5-yard line.
Now you got 4 shots to go for a touchdown here.
Lawrence throws. That pass, boy, was nearly picked and then caught.
They gotta get to the line
Jones went right through the hands of C.J. Mosley. Snap it here with 12 seconds left as he spikes it.
What a finish. 4th and goal from the 1-yard line. 12 seconds left in the game. Jags and Jets. Jags trail 26-21. Here we go. 8 seconds on the play clock. You got to get lined up. Tavon Austin is confused. 4 seconds on the play clock. They snap it. Trevor looks. Flag comes in. 2 flags came in. It's an incomplete pass.
It's a legal shift.
And the Jets are going to win this ball game.
It's not the finish you want, but Trevor will learn from this. First time in this situation, and the offense was not organized at the end, and it was frantic, and it should not have been.
2 weeks in a row, you have faced teams that are not very good and that have been depleted because of COVID and injury, and you haven't been able to capitalize. That's disappointing, and against 2 rookie quarterbacks.